guys, and welcome back to Socks on a Rooster Furniture Refinishing. My name is Sonja Chandler, and today's video is going to show you how you can take one of your favorite one-step colors and just bump it up a notch with one simple additional product. In this particular case, I'm going to be using Atelier. It's a great gray hue and one of my favorites. And then we're going to use some mica powders in two different colors with a little bit of wax. And all you have to do is make sure you get your base paint on very well, and then I'll show you how we're going to do this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to mix up a couple of special waxes here. I've already mixed up the bronze in the first container, and now I'm going to do one with a little bit of pearl. Just going to add some in. And that's up to you as to how dense you want that metallic surface to be. You can mix a little bit in and spread it onto another surface. Don't spill it like I did there on the door. Work on a flat area, not on the door you're going to work on. But I was just mixing it up here. Actually, that mica powder will just wipe right off and blow right off the door. But mix it up, and then I'm just going to paint it on. This is kind of a nice addition to just a flat one-step paint. The colors are beautiful of the one-step paint all in and of themselves, but I almost always do a whitewash on all of my furniture pieces or my project pieces just because I like the dimension. So when I do that, a lot of times the whitewash that I use is usually just watered down paint. It's a lighter whitewash like Ballet White, or Bauhaus Buff with water. But when I do it with wax, I usually mix in whatever color paint into the wax. Here I'm using mica powder, so you can use the powders or the pigment powders or even milk paint. But I'm just applying it here and doing it for you guys, but I'm also doing it for myself. So when you add in this little bit of pearl into the Mind Your Own Beeswax, and then you wipe it away, it's adds another dimension to your piece and it makes it pop. But oh, it's beautiful when you start to see what that looks like when you start to wipe it away and how that mica powder gets down into those crevices. Also, the Mind Your Own Beeswax gives your one-step paint a deeper hue. As we all know, as you get wax on the paint, it will give that a depth that it didn't have before without the wax. So you're getting a different color here. So this is how you can take one color of one step and change it up in several different ways. So I'm going to use the pearl here, which I love. It looked amazing in real life. I hope you can see that on the video, but it's truly beautiful once you wipe that away and you can see it in the crevices and it catches the detail of that cabinet door. So I loved that, and then I wanted to see how this bronze was going to look on the same one-step color of Atelier. So I'm just going to do the same thing, brush that in, going in the direction of the grain here and the detail. And then I'm going to wipe it away. And oh my goodness, it was beautiful. It completely changed the one-step color and gave it a bit of an antiqued look, but it had that slight sheen to it that was absolutely beautiful. And I couldn't have been more excited. So this is a major game changer, guys, when using just a regular one-step paint. Try to change it up a bit with some different waxes. And this time it just happened to be mica powders, which are gorgeous. As you can see, there's a sheen there that starts to show itself as you remove the excess wax. So you're just brushing it on, getting it evenly across there and down into the crevices, and then you're just wiping away. So it really ended up really super beautiful. I can't wait to try this on an entire piece. But this is what you can do with just one of your favorite paint colors. This one, again, just happened to be one of my favorite, which was Atelier. It's a beautiful gray. And yeah, we just added those mica powder waxes, and gorgeous outcome. Simple as can be. Just one step paint and one additional product. You'll love it. Give it a try.